You probably know how it feels to not have enough money in your bank account. The frustration and disappointment that fills your mind. You've worked really hard all your life and always dreamed of becoming successful, but it just hasn't happened yet. Now you know that the internet is the best place to make the extra money you desperately want, but you don't know how to create a product, build a website, write persuasive advertising, recruit affiliates, develop software, or run a business. There are just so many obstacles to creating a successful internet business. Well, this is the big idea behind the Internet Business Factory. The Internet Business Factory makes everything totally easy for you by letting you download a complete internet business, add your free payment button, upload it, and create your own fully functional internet business in just a few minutes. There are 100 complete internet businesses in dozens of different markets in the factory, all ready for you to turn into multiple income streams for yourself. So let's meet Ben. Now he's been trying to make money online for the last 2 years. Now Ben doesn't know how to code a site, doesn't have the cash to hire someone to do it for him, he doesn't have any real marketing experience, so he's had a really hard time getting anyone to buy anything from the websites he's tried out. And Ben is tired of sitting at his computer trying to make a few extra bucks. He's completely burnt out, and he's ready to give up. But then a friend told Ben about the Internet Business Factory, which creates new, profitable internet businesses for him by simply downloading some files, adding his free payment button, and uploading them in just a few minutes. And the businesses that Ben downloads from the Internet Business Factory are already done for him. He just has to make some small changes and put them online. Every step that Ben needs to do is covered in complete detail with simple step-by-step videos. Ben's able to create a brand new income stream whenever he has a few minutes to spare, and without all the frustration and hassles he's had to deal with over the last 2 years. He just downloads, customizes, and uploads a new site whenever he wants. And since he's able to create so many different businesses in so many different markets online, he doesn't have to stress about which one is making him money, because each one is making him a few extra bucks every day, and then it all adds up to a very nice income for Ben at the end of the month. And remember, Ben doesn't have to worry about creating products, programming, copywriting, researching markets, or any of the other hard stuff that comes with building a new internet business. The Internet Business Factory takes all the pain out of it, so Ben can enjoy his income coming in from all of his new businesses. So Ben isn't frustrated anymore. He's not depressed when he looks at his bank account. His life is finally going the way he wants it. Now he spends his days enjoying himself and telling everyone he can about the Internet Business Factory. So no matter what background you come from, what experience you've had in the past, the Internet Business Factory makes it easy to set up as many different internet businesses as you want, so you can enjoy life and not have to worry anymore. To join the Internet Business Factory, just enter your name and email into the form below, and you'll be taken to a secure payment page where you can join today. You can even sign up for a risk-free trial to make sure that you're totally happy. And don't worry, you'll be fully protected by a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Start building your internet empire today, just like Ben did. Just enter your name and email below.
Click the link right below this video to get started. And remember, if you decide at any point within the 60 days that this isn't right for you, I'll send you a full refund, no problem. You'll just have my sincere thanks for at least giving it a try. So click the link below, and I'll see you on the other side.